Oh yeah, this is the style. Keeping it mellow while driving you wild on the smooth tip. Hearing just chillin' while the beat gives you a calm feeling. With security, being fearless, but on the same line, hearing us rock the mic plus be on top. With our posse, we don't stop. Chillin' in the neighborhood that we dwell in. Our cuts on the radio, our band keeps swelling. Our prerogative is staying paid. Also, being laid back. To put it clear, gin, so there won't be no misunderstanding. So keep demanding what others lack. Was that's us laid back.
It's laid back, so laid back, and you know we've got it going on. It's laid back, so laid back, and we party all night.
I won't expose ya, see no one even knows ya, but I'm the only one who really owes ya the right to see me rock the mic properly. See no one's even stopping me to make an impact and act on. The females make sure they're masked on, yup. No reason to act up, make sure the jam is packed up. 4 hours, no room for wallflowers or cowards. To move and strut. If you're sitting, move the chair from your butt. Get on the dance floor, move till you can't move no more. Rock with T and Mac on the chill tip or laid back.
It's laid back. It's laid back. It's laid back. It's laid back. So laid back.
Yeah, it's time to get busy. Bumpin' T, Mac Ice, riding hype. Let's go get busy one time. Written to assure you with this beat that this won't bore you with the same old, same old. You know it sounded like that until we came though. With the sound that struck the mic, we Cali still housing and hype tonight. Leaving stereotypes in the back with this track that's new, laid back. And make it soothe, yet wanting all y'all to move. See the style is unraveling, hitting the joint on the point like a javelin. Yet the program's same, laid back, yet hype enough to attract the crowd my way, so they'll sway while I serve my fans the entree, which is a steady pace. A slight taste of flowing with style and grace, with a rhythm in a jazz flow, mild yet lively though, not off for a second. Rewind it. Checking what the others lack. What's that? That's Bumpin' T, laid back.